Hello, welcome to another review. Before I get this review started, I do apologise about the metal fan in the background. I'm cooling down for after having my, she was saying, my little soak. You don't want to know. But anyway, yes, this is another Battle Dalek, the final one for 2010. As you can prove it to you, and I can prove it to you with these two. I can then prove it with these two Daleks. If you want to check for a standard review of this Dalek, I will put a little tag in the right hand corner. If you want to see the review of the blue strip Battle Dalek in action, or do you want to see the red Battle Dalek, I'll just put a little his little tag up on the top, which I shall do during the editing stage, which is the uploading stage. Or even better, let's move you guys out of the way. Unless you want to have a go at the review, unless you want to see the review of the originals, of the original version, I shall put that in another review. Before we get into that, oh god, bloody door, excuse my French. But anyway, let's move you two out the way, because you're not needed. You guys are not needed. Strategist and drone, you're not needed. Anyway, if you're wondering, another iron. This guy must be insane. This guy must be insane. He must be lying to us. He's only got 3 iron sides. Nope. Nope, there's my... Nope, I'm not lying. There's my 3 iron sides. This one being the original iron side I had. This is the original that stands beside my display. There's the original. Then there's the second one. There's the second one I bought, but the eye stayed still on, and the other one it didn't. This is my second one I bought off eBay. And this is the latest one. I bought that one for a bargain. 18 quid. From a seller was selling a batch of Dalek. I'll say between 15 to 20 quid on eBay. And I got a bargain for this one. I spotted this one and went, that's mine. Yes, you can tell it's a Battle Dalek. And my light isn't that good. My light isn't good, unfortunately, but I can brighten it up at the editing stage. You see where my little antennae is? That is the sensor. It's translucent. Right. One thing about it is an ironside. It's a 2010. It's another additional Dalek to the original one. That was your first lot of comparisons with other Daleks. So, here's another comparison with the Supreme Dalek from 2008, I believe. If you want to check his review out, I'll put that in either a link or I'll put that as a tag at the top. If you want to see his review. This was the start. Oh yeah, or check his 18-inch, or check the 18-inch review of it. He's a big boy, isn't he? Or I've got some other figures to compare it with. There's my newer version of the Cyberman with the blaster. There he is. There's the newer version. That's the newer version, by the way. The other one, I had a lot of super glue on his arm. If you want me to review Cybermen, please let me know in the comments below any of my Battle Dalek videos. Or put it as a suggestion. You want me to do my Cybermen review, because I've already done a Cyber Leader. There's my, oh yes, there's my Sakura. She's back again. She decided she likes my iron sides. No offense, but she loves my iron sides when they're on display. She loves it. So anyway, if you want to do a review, I'll have to do some more research. If you want to do some research, if you want me to do a review of this figure, please let me know, because I will have to then do a lot of research on the series, or even Corin, because I can do a lot about Corin. But anyway, yes, or Lucina, or any more others. But anyway, it's like your standard Battle Dalek, where you understand which you turn it on like that. Take 2 on that. Yes, he's a 27 megahertz. This is what I'm using. He didn't come with a unit, so I'm using this unit, and it will still work. There's your standard articulated for the Dalek remote. There he is. There he is. There he is, he's walking around. Yeah, he's got the same sound chip as this Dalek. So what we're going to do now, we're going to have a little quick battle. So we need the ironside to lose. Well, as I said in the last couple of reviews, the older ones are compatible with the newer ones. So even the lights work. Yeah, as it goes on, after 5 hits, the Dalek is disabled. Right, this is it. This is it. Wait, look at that. Now watch. There we go. Disabled. So now this Dalek is now disabled. The only way to do it is reset it. Shut up. And you could be turned off as well. You could be moved. The remotes could be turned off. Well, I do recommend these remotes if you're controlling these small Daleks. I recommend these. These are more comfortable to use. They are compatible. But anyway, yes. Conclusion of this Dalek. Do I recommend it? Personal choice. If you don't want the figure version like this one, you can have the RC version, unless you're a big fan of small RC Daleks. Unless you're a big fan of RC Daleks, this is the Dalek for you. If you're not a fan, this version's for you. Because the only reason I got both versions because I wanted to complete my Battle Dalek collection. I do have one in its box still. Everyone should just consider this is going to be my final Battle Dalek video review. I shall now go and get the other one. I shall go and get the other one from this box. Go and get the other one. Go and get the other one. Go and get the other one. I'm going to get the other one. I'm not putting batteries in it. I'm going to get the other one. But there's the first one. There. Then this one came with it. I don't need to unbox him because I've already got one in box. Always handy. These are the probably 2006 versions because you got a Cyberman. So there's the blue one. There's the red one. And now the Ironside now joins the Battle Dalek family. So this is my Battle Dalek family. There we go. What do you think? Do I recommend these Daleks? Personal choice. If you want this exclusive Dalek, you can get. If you're lucky to get it on its own for 20 quid. Might be rare to get it on its own. And this one as well. If you get them as a pack, brilliant. Please be aware, if you are planning on getting these two Battle Daleks, just think about what variation you want. There are 4 to remember. You've got the 9th Doctor, 10th Doctor, Rose Tyler, or the Cyber Leader action figure. That's personal choice. That is personal choice. If you want any of these Battle Daleks, good luck tracking them down. Particularly these two in particular. And good luck getting these brand new. I was lucky to get that one brand new for under 40 quid. But anyway, if you want to see any more figure reviews, oh, just not lying, he's not the only remote control Dalek. He's this is a standard remote control Dalek. See, there we go. There you go. It proves how many 6 remote control Daleks I have. There you go. This is my remote control Dalek family. 6-inch, 5-inch. There is another one, but I'm not getting it out. But anyway, please put a like, subscribe, and if there's any requests for any other toy reviews you want me to look at on this channel, would anybody will be interested to see a Jurassic World dinosaur review? If anyone is interested, please let me know in the comments below, because this Indominus Rex is amazing. This Indominus is amazing. Nom. If anyone's interested, let me weave the camera up. If anyone's interested, let me know. If anyone's interested, I have started some videos. But in fairness, I have started videos. I'm not sure to upload them. If you're interested, still please let me know. But anyway, yes, I have to. But like, subscribe. Any other requests, please put them in the comments below. Or private message me for any secret requests. Keep up to date for some more gameplay updates. And stay tuned for the Sonic Adventure 2 project I'm working on. Please hit the place for Sonic Adventure DX for all 7 episodes. Well, anyway, yes, I better go. I better get this edited, put all the Daleks back, and cool down. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.